how to add a custom text field to your Shopify page. Now there will be some hoops you have to jump through, but it's okay. So let's just get straight into it. The first one you want to go to is go to apps and install this right here, product options and customizer. I already have it installed, so let's just open it. Once you're here, you'll want to pick the product you want to add a custom text field to. In my case, it'll be t-shirt, so I'll just click this. I'll create a new option. I'll name this whatever, so it's just 1, 2, 3, it'll be a single checkbox, 3, required, the price, 3333. Now let's create it. Go back to add existing options. Let's delete this one, but once you create an option, it'll automatically be put into here. Now we can see this in online store. Let's customize our website. And now on our catalog, let's go to t-shirt. Let's just click it. Now the way you can add the custom text field here is by going here, press add block, and then just search for the app. Press it. And now you'll see there will be a new custom text field added right there. So it's as easy as that.